Hello, this is Colin Brazendale, and this is a new video new video update on how to build a list from scratch. I started about a month ago, or less than a month ago, and I created a training series with about 8 or 9 videos showing people how to create their own list. And with that, I started to build a new list myself from scratch, so that I can go through the whole process with you to build a new list. I'm mainly using hashing ad space to get my leads, and I want to show you what I've learned myself as well over the last 3 to 4 weeks. Initially, I created, first of all, when you create a list, you need to have a hook, or you need to have an ethical bribe, like they say, to get someone to add their details in your capture form. In my case, this is my Aweber capture form, and I created this lead capture page on Wix. And so I say free training and mentoring, how to build an email list from scratch, even if you're completely new. And then I add this page to, or advertise this page on hashing ad space, and then people will watch the page and decide if they want to add the details or not. So I've been testing over the last couple of weeks, and in this week I made a new page because I noticed that my opt-in rate is quite low with this page. So I made a new page, and this one is double as successful. I've got double the number of opt-ins from this page than from this page, which is quite interesting. So now at the moment, I'm just promoting this page, and I'll show you my success so far. While I was advertising this page, I got about 5 opt-ins between 3 and 5 opt-ins per day when I'm using about 100 CME. CME is the currency of hashing ad space, and it's about $3 to $5 for 100 CME. Depending on the price of a CME. But then I start using this page, and I'm getting between 10 and 13 or 14 people opting in per day. And then my hook here is I give free training. So when they add the details here, they go to this landing page automatically. You set that all up in Aweber, and you create these pages in Wix for free. So only expense you have is the Aweber subscription, and then the Wix pages are for free. So you just register at wix.com. Unfortunately, you have this advertising banner here. You can subscribe to Wix. They sometimes have specials for $7 a month. I think that will be my next step, but I want to go through the process with you and try and spend as little as possible to get started to build the list. So in the last 4 weeks, you can say, I just want to go, here's my Aweber account. Ignore all these other figures, because I'm also building lists for customers that have got offline businesses. So the one that I'm using here is this free list building training. Here you can see today I've already got 7 opt-ins. Yesterday 13, and so far 125. 5 have opted out. So I had 130 opt-ins, and of that 125 is still sticking. And what I'm doing now is every second day I'm emailing this list. I'm getting ideas from other marketers, from the emails that I have received, to send these members as well. And I'm trying to get them to do the course, or not trying. I'm still promoting this page, because what I want to show them or help them with is to show them how to create their own email list. As soon as you've got an email list, you immediately have an audience to promote your products to or to communicate to. So initially you communicate with your list and build confidence with them, or rapport rather with them, so that they can see you truly trying to help them. In this case, I'm trying to help them to build their own list. So the expense that they'll have is an Aweber account, 30 days for free, and then afterwards it's $20 per month for up to 500 people on your list. And then the only other expense is in marketing. So at the moment I'm spending between $3 and $5 per day on marketing, and I'm getting, at the moment, initially it was only between 3 and 5 opt-ins per day, but now I'm getting up to, like I showed you here, I'm getting up to 13 opt-ins per day. So I do that is, so initially you need to get either an ebook or a PDF tips as your lead for your lead capture page, so that, because you need to convince them to add the details in here. In my case, I created 8 videos where I show them step by step how to create the email list. And you can copy that exactly the same as what I'm doing. You can copy my emails, or not my emails, my videos, create your own videos, which will be the best, and then create a page like that, I'm basically using this as my bait or offer to convince someone to give their name and email to me. So I created something that I want to give away for free, but you can do that with the ebook or PDF tips and tricks as well. And in this course I show you how to get an ebook for free, or ebook. You can buy an ebook for $5 from a private label right company, and then give that away for free as your gift, in exchange to get their name and email. So far it's working well. So I go to hashing ad space. I buy a CME. At the moment I've got a CME, and I've already set up an ad. The cheapest ads at the moment is if you go to advertising products, and you need to go to setup. You go to page setup, and then you can either have admin to setup, banner, view to earn, campaign, premium view to earn, and login ads. And the login ads I've found is the best. It's about $120, and for a full day your ad is shown to everybody that logs in. I did one test with that, and I got more than 700 opt-ins on that. But yeah, it's a little bit pricey, but it's worthwhile. It was with this AM success funnel, and here you can see I've got about 780, if I remember correctly, opt-ins here. Yeah, I haven't tested it on my free list, but I want to do it on the low budget. Like, I know most of my followers don't have a lot of money, so I want to do it on the minimum. So I'm showing you how to create this. So far I've got 125 people in my email list. So if hashing ad space closes down tomorrow, I still have these people on my list. So it's very valuable. Although 125 doesn't sound like a lot of people, I'm building on that, and it will grow as I keep on advertising. So I want to show you how I advertise. So I've already set up. If I go to I just want to find myself here. Okay, if I go log in, go to advertising, go to active campaigns, because I've already set up. If you want to set up a new, you go to campaign setup, and you go to view to earn page setup. These ads are the cheapest of them all. You click on setup. you've got to add a semi first. Here you can see how many semi I've got available. So I've got nothing basically available there. But you load, say, 100 semi, then you say you want to allocate 100 semi there, and you can. I normally go about 8,000 views for 100 semi. Then I select 15 seconds, and then I click apply. And then it takes about a couple of hours for your initial ad to be validated. But then let me just okay. So so as soon as your ad is validated by admin, then you load funds to your view to earn campaign, and then you can start advertising. But I'll show you how to do that. So this was just the setup, the initial setup. So you need to load a semi first. So go to products, view to earn, advertising purchase. I normally buy 100 semi in one go, but you buy them in bunches of 10. So I'm just going to buy 10. So that will give me 100 semi. Then I click on continue. Make sure that you've got 100 semi in your wallet. I've got 170, or you can see I've got 224 semi available. You just read and accept these conditions. They always ask this, so I'm just flying through this. I've already read it initially in the beginning. Then you click then on Pay Now, or you can buy directly with Bitcoin as well. But I'll just click on Pay Now. Then I should have 100 semi available for my view to earn ads. So here's just confirmation. Here you can see I'm buying almost every day. I'm buying 100 semi. Or I'm allocating 100 semi to the view to earn ads. So now I want to go and so what you do now is you go and set up your. So you go to page setup and you click on the view to earn page setup that I just showed you. But I've already set up my ad. So I'm going to my active campaigns. I loaded 100 here yesterday, and that's all finished. And like I said, this page is my best page. So after you set it up like that, all you need to do is just to go to edit parameters, and let's go proceed. If you edit campaign, then your ad will have to go through the whole approval process. But now I'm just going to add more semi. So I'm adding 100 semi there, and I'm saying 8,000 views. And then I click submit, and there you can see it's my 8,000 available. And this is going to promote this page here, which is not that one, but this one. So this is an ongoing process, a learning process. So I saw initially this page, I created this page, and then I started testing this page, and I immediately saw that I get much more opt-ins. And I'm sure after a while, even this page will also, the people will get bored with it and then not opt in. As soon as they see something new on Hashing Aspect, they will opt in. So after, say, a couple of weeks or maybe in a month, I'll change this again. And it's for free. It's on weeks. It's all drag and drop. And I'll show you in my videos in my training how I do it. So I'll create that page. So let's just refresh this, and we can see if there's already people watching. Yeah, they took 3 semi. So for 100 semi, that's about $3 or $4, and this will run for the whole day. 24 hours about. But as soon as it gets finishes, you'll get an email, but that's fine. And then you just can add more. You don't have to do 100. I think you can do less. But so far, if I can get 10 to 13 or 7 to 13 opt-ins every day, so that's about less than 50 cents per opt-in, which is great. And it's a good quality opt-in, because I know it's from Hashing Ad Space, website, and Hashing Ad Space is full of members looking for new ways to make money, and I'm in the make money online niche, so it's ideal. And so I'm building my list on Aweber. So what I'll do is I regularly make updated videos on my progress on building this free list building training list of mine. And I'll also show you later on how I automate my emails. Initially, I write the email every second day, but that I can put in a sequence so it's all automated. So because it's as soon as a person opts in, it's important, especially in the first 2 weeks, to keep in contact with that person and remind the person of what you've given them for free, and trying to teach them something new that they can learn. And you can copy what I've done here, do exactly the same, and I'll show you in this training how to do it. So yes, I'll put my link in the description below and I'll send you to this landing page first, so you can opt in and go through the whole process yourself and copy whatever I've done, and build your list that way. So yes, if this video was any help to you, please give us a thumbs up. If not, you can give us a thumbs down. It helps my channel a lot, and I appreciate you watching the video. And I'll keep you up to date. Please subscribe to my channel if you want to be updated on my progress on building a list. Thank you very much for watching. Bye for now.